Two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short, gets its name from the fact that two things are required to verify your identity. Something you know, like a password, and something you have, like the verification code from your mobile device or physical token. Firstly, start off with a login page that asks your user for a mobile phone number. Upon submission, the user will be asked to input a verification code sent to that mobile phone number via SMS. Once the user is verified, they can access the application. This tutorial will cover how to implement a verification token system with the Vonage Verify API and Express.js. The application will have 3 pages: an initial page that asks for a mobile phone number, a page where users provide the code sent to them, and finally, a page which they'll see if their code was correct and the verification successful. For a full written or video tutorial that will take you through the process from scratch, or if you'd like the link to the GitHub repository containing all the code, check the description.